Materials engineering is basically the spearhead of industry.
Almost every innovation that we've had in our world has been done based on developing materials.
The problems that we were going to be facing in the near future are materials-based, whether that's from sustainability to design for things like aircraft to biocompatibility. It all comes down to materials.
Whenever there's a breakthrough in materials engineering, it allows mechanical engineers or other engineers to have a design breakthrough.
The Cal Poly Materials Engineering program is a super unique program that's focused on learn by doing.
We try to teach our students in both grounds, the science behind the materials and the engineering of designing and developing materials.
It's all about the study of structure, properties, process, and performance of materials.
The goal of this program is to help you do what you want to do.
Our students can follow their dream and find their careers that they want in all branches of materials.
Do you want to go work in sustainable materials and fight climate change? Do you want to invent the next quantum computer?
Our program is different because our students find themselves in the labs from their very first year and getting those visceral hands-on experiences to drive home theoretical concepts.
Some of the labs that students can experience here include working in our clean room. We're one of the only universities where undergrads actually get to work in a clean room processing semiconductor materials.
Our students get access to cutting-edge 3D printers, able to print carbon fiber composites.
We have very powerful microscopes. We have scanning electron microscopes.
There's so many lab opportunities. You actually get to apply the information that you're given right away.
You're like heating up pieces of metal and you're getting to quench them and you're getting like to see all these different changes that you're studying, but you're getting to see them in real time.
The students in our department are highly sought after by industry.
I've had students go off and work for humanitarian nonprofits. I've had students go work at aerospace companies.
We have students working in materials departments in companies like Tesla, Amazon, Boeing, Ford.
Frontier Aerospace, Chevron, Apple.
Our student body is very diverse. Our data shows that.
You know, we have the traditional students who come here right out of high school, but we also have a fairly large number of students who transfer from our community college system.
The thing I like most about being a Cal Poly materials engineering student is just the closeness you get with like your instructors and your fellow peers.
The size of the department, it being relatively small, makes talking to professors very easy.
We as faculty really make it a priority to get to know our students.
So we have a very tight relationship in the department, and that creates a family-like feeling.
Sort of just having a support group that is there with you.
People who understand and like know what you're going through to kind of lean back on and ask questions.
A lot of the professors, you know, they're hugely inspiring, and then also they just have so much experience to draw from industry, from research, and they're always doing cool stuff.
So our faculty love to bring in our students to help us with our own research. And by having small student numbers in our department, we're able to do that more meaningfully.
So yes, we work really hard, but we also play really hard. Lots of hiking and going to the beach and being outside and studying outside all year round.
San Luis Obispo is a fantastic place.
It's a very small town vibe, but I feel very safe here.
It's just big enough of a town where there's stuff to do, but it's not so big that it's overwhelming.
In our program, students are being prepared to work on concepts and challenges facing society that we can't even think of yet.
It's a really great privilege and opportunity that as a materials engineer, we have the chance to be able to work and try to create a safer, more sustainable future.
Despite the uncertainty of the future, I think that coming out of Cal Poly, being a materials engineer really leaves a lot of doors open to me.
The energy, the ideas, the relationships, the students make everything worth it here.
It's been great. I've loved every second of it.